Greetings to everyone. On the occasion of World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, which is celebrated from 18 to 24th November, we, the microbiology students of Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College for Women, would like to spread the awareness among the general public on the usage of various antibiotics. What are antibiotics? What do you mean by antibiotic resistance? Do you know them? Come, let's learn together.
Bacteria are omnipresent, that is, they are present everywhere, like in soil, water, humans, air, etc.
Antibiotics can save lives. Microbial pathogens grow on and within the body of other living beings, and their colonization may lead to disease, disability, and death. The control and destruction of microbial pathogens within the bodies of a human and other animals to prevent them from causing a disease is of great importance. An antibiotic is an antimicrobial agent that is active against bacteria. Broad spectrum antibiotics are active against a wider number of bacterial types, and they are particularly useful when the infecting agent is unknown. Narrow spectrum antibiotics allow us to kill or inhibit only those bacteria species that are unwanted. It leaves most of the beneficial bacteria unaffected. Antibiotics are of two types, natural and synthetic type. These therapeutic agents can be either microbicidal, that is, they kill the bacteria, or microbistatic, that is, they inhibit the growth of bacteria. The undesirable effect on the host, called side effects, are of many kinds and may involve almost any organ system. So, these antibiotics should be administered with great care. Antibiotics do not treat viruses. We don't play cricket using football, and we don't use football for playing cricket. In the same way, antibiotics, which have revolutionized the treatment of bacterial diseases and the diseases caused by some other pathogenic agents, are totally ineffective against viruses. It is because the viruses do not have viable cells for their growth and multiplication. Therefore, the target sites at which antibiotics act in bacteria lack viruses. Bacterial diseases can be treated by using antibiotics. Antibiotics are used in treatment of various bacterial infections like acne, bronchitis, conjunctivitis, otitis media, sexually transmitted diseases, skin infection, etc. Natural antibiotics, traditionally used since centuries, contribute to the life-saving drugs of tomorrow. Including natural antibiotics in our diet boosts our immunity and shows best results against disease-causing pathogen. Due to the current increase in drug-resistant diseases, most doctors do not prescribe antibiotics unless they are effective and necessary. Using prescribed antibiotics helps to prevent the spread of infectious diseases, speedy recovery from illness, prevent development of complications, and its proper use helps in reducing the development of drug-resistant varieties of bacteria. Natural antibiotics is the best preventive medicine. Antibiotic resistance, a global concern. Antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest threats to global health, food security, and development today. Antibiotic resistance can affect anyone of any age. Globally, it is a growing problem. Antibiotic resistance does not occur naturally. Misuse of antibiotics by humans and in animals accelerates the process. Bacterial infections such as pneumonia, gonorrhea, tuberculosis, salmonella are becoming harder to be treated, and antibiotics used to treat them are less effective. The main reason for the above problem is the increase in the number of drug-resistant varieties developing globally that are causing such infections. Take antibiotics exactly as prescribed. While using antibiotics, many questions arise in our minds, such as how effective is this drug? How long do we have to take this drug? What are the risks and benefits of taking this drug. When we take antibiotics, it is important that we consume them responsibly as prescribed by the physicians. Don't take antibiotics longer than prescribed. Don't save the antibiotics for later. Always follow the directions carefully. If we stop taking them too soon, some bacteria may survive and reinfect us. Do not share antibiotics with others. Do not take antibiotics prescribed for someone else. This may delay the best treatment for us and makes us even sicker or cause side effects. Intake of antibiotics should be completed as prescribed by the physician. Antibiotics should be taken in the right amount and at the right time. A wrong dose of antibiotics makes the drugs ineffective. Harmful effects of antibiotics. Antibiotics, its harmful side effects. Common side effects with antibiotics include mild skin rash, allergic reactions, soft stools, short-term diarrhea, upset stomach, nausea, loss of appetite. More severe antibiotic side effects include allergic reactions, serious, possibly life-threatening diarrhea caused by the bacteria, kidney failure. Therefore, antibiotic resistant infection can be very serious and difficult to treat. Talk with your healthcare professional if you develop any side effects. Have you ever experienced a reaction from your medicine that was unexpected? This is commonly known as a side effect. Side effects can differ for each individual depending on the medical conditions. A person's age, weight, gender, ethnicity, and other factors play a role as well. Side effects can happen at any time. They can occur when we first take a medicine with changes in dosage or if we stop taking medicine suddenly or too soon. If we begin to take other prescriptions or non-prescription products, interactions among the medicine may cause side effects as well. If we are concerned that a side effect is interfering with our daily life, affecting our health, or leading us to stop taking medicine, be sure to speak with a physician. Antibiotics aren't always the answer. Antibiotics only work against certain infections caused by bacteria. They do not treat viruses like cold or flu. As with any medicine, antibiotics can cause side effects. Most of the antibiotics do not cause problems if they are used properly, and serious side effects are rare. Some antibiotics are not suitable for people with certain medical problems or women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Taking antibiotics when you do not need them can mean they will not work for you in the future. Encountering the drug resistance. Strategic use of drugs. Search for new antibiotics. Identifying new targets for drugs. Phage therapy. Do your best to stay healthy and keep others healthy. The biggest asset we can ever have is our health. Health is our first priority. We need to keep ourselves safe and healthy. Boosting our immune system will be able to fight off the disease. There are many antibiotics from which we can overcome the disease. Antibiotics are powerful medicines that can fight certain infections and can save lives when it is used properly. In certain cases, the number of harmful bacteria is more and the immune system cannot fight them all. Antibiotics are useful in these cases. Antibiotics can save lives. An ignorant person may easily underdose himself, exposed to microbes, and make them resistant. We need to ensure that these life-saving drugs will be available for the future generations. Prevention saves lives, so do your best to stay healthy and keep others healthy.